Regular expressions for some of the languages. So how to write a regular expression for different type of languages? We have already seen some in previous lectures. Let us see today that what will be the regular expression for a language which accept exactly two A's, and the string is made of, the automata is made of A and B. There should be exactly two A's. So as seen before, uh, what is the concept of making such a languages, that let us assume what should be the language. It should be having exactly two A's. So the language can be B A A, the language can be B A A B, the language can be A A B, or B B B A A, or it can be B A B A. It is not necessarily that two A's are coming together consecutively. They can come at any way, but there should be exactly two A's, and so on. So this is an infinite language, means infinite number of strings are there. So for infinite number of strings, it gives us a hint that we have to use clean closure and all, and some closure should be there. So we have taken that these are the strings which may be possible for exactly two A's. So now we talk about the restriction. What is the restriction? That there should be exactly two A's, one A, then another A. Okay, we write these two A's, so it gives us exactly two A's. There is no restriction on B, so we say that B can come any number of time, B asterisk, again B can come, and then again B can come. Means B can come before A, B can come after this A, B can come before this A, and B can come after this A, because there is no restriction on B, but number of A's are fixed, that is, it should exactly two A's should be there. So for this type of grammar, the language, the regular expression which comes to be is this. So regular expression for a language in which there are exactly two A's is written as B asterisk A, B asterisk A, B asterisk. If we think of any string which is made of this, it is proved that these strings would be having two A's. For example, if I say a string AAB, so what will happen? This asterisk will become null, this asterisk will become null, AA, and because of this asterisk, B will come one time. So AAB. If I say the string is BBAA, what happens? We will take two B's from the first one, BB, and then all other B's will become null and other two A's will come. So this is how all the strings which are having exactly two A's are possible, made of the alphabet A and B. Okay. Now let's take another example for a language. Let's say that the language is such, made of A and B, and we should not, it should not end with, not not end with AB. What does it means? That AB should not come together at the end of the string. So what are the languages which are possible? It can be single A, it can be single B, it can be double A, it can be double A, double B, or so on. So it is an infinite language. It should not end with AB. This is clear. A और B से end नहीं होनी चाहिए. Means there should be no substring at the end A, B. Beginning में कुछ भी हो सकता है, पर ending में नहीं होना चाहिए. तो इसको हम कैसे सॉल्व करें? What is the restriction that it should not end with AB? तो अभी एक हिंट हमें मिला कि बिगिनिंग में कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो हमने कहा चलो भाई, बिगिनिंग में तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, A plus B asterisk लिख देते हैं. A can come n number of times, B can come n number of times, any combination of A and B can come. But आखिरी में पे ए बी नहीं होना चाहिए. तो आखिरी में ए बी नहीं होने का क्या मतलब हुआ? कि इट शुड एंड विद ए. बहुत बढ़िया, खाली ए से एंड हो जाए, या इट शुड एंड विद खाली बी. अगर हम खाली बी से एंड करते हैं तो एक प्रॉब्लम आती है. इफ आई राइट दिस बी, देन व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? कि इफ सपोज वी टेक अ स्ट्रिंग A, B, and then again A comes, and instead of this A, we take this B, it ends with AB. So this B should not be written alone over here, because if the string is ending with A from here and B from here, then AB will come into the picture. So what is the solution? Starting can be anything, ending either with A, or we should have 2B together. 2B together में क्या होगा कि अगर यहां से आखिरी में B मिला तो 3 बार B मिलेंगे, यहां से अगर A मिला तो क्या मिलेगा? A, B, B. So all the strings, now we say, which does not end with AB is possible with this regular expression. Let us take this. So let us write a string A, B, B, B. So how will this string be solved? A, B, B, B. The first A will be taken from here. Second A will also be taken from here. First B will be taken from here, and then last two B's will be taken from here. A, B, B. Similarly, if we think of any other string in which we think that it should end with, not end with AB, this is possible by the regular expression which we have written just now.